And in this episode of TravelDog in the USA, we head out from our hotel in Boston, Medford, and cross the Mystic River over to Somerville, where we end up in Assembly Row, kind of a crazy shopping outlet place with like Nike shopping outlets, Reebok shopping outlets. It's also packed with restaurants. We wanted to go to this kind of Creole place, but we ended up here at Tony C's. Oh, baby. And the interesting thing is it was actually a very, very extraordinary result. Not what we expected at all. So lay back, relax, and get ready for this episode of TravelDog in the USA.
Okay, TravelDog, we are here and we are heading out of our Boston hotel over a bridge across the river, hopefully, to Southerrn Cookhouse, where we're going to try some chicken and waffles and some more southern dishes, maybe a bit of gumbo and like that. But we will see what happens when we get there. We're wandering across this bridge in the middle of nowhere. I wish I haven't got the drone out yet. I think this should be a good drone spot. I haven't spent $5 on registering the dog for USA. Hopefully we'll use it somewhere. Look, this is a beautiful spot, man. Maybe we should come down here tomorrow evening and drone around the river. Right, we're freaking out on the bridge. And so seeing a massive spider on a web and weird things flying into us, which I'm sure they haven't flown in us.
There's something weird.
Anyway, we're just trying to get over the bridge before we freak out, basically. It's a casino over there, apparently. Whilst it's kind of freeway, man. On the way to the thing, we're hiring a car in a couple of days, so the excitement will get even more crazy. The centre of Boston feels like, what, historical? It's sort of historical.
Boats.
Smaller houses, boats. Different stuff, but this
Some people.
This has some big bodies, but this feels like America. I think this feels like America. It's just like, I don't know, big roads, big cars, big stuff.
And where are we?
Everything all around you, and we are in Medford, Boston, Massachusetts is where we are. So we're just like 40 minutes on the train outside of Boston, and it's kind of cool, yeah. You can see the rabbit, but there's loads of rabbits around here. It's so weird. Everywhere.
That one's quite small.
So the rabbits or rats. He's a beautiful little rabbit, man. As RaifyD saying, you got some really nice Christmas lights here. The trees. It does give you Christmas vibes with the trees, I like it.
It's obviously a Christmas.
Yeah. Legal on the Mystic. Oh, this area is called the Mystic. I think it's called the Mystic, this area. That's why you were saying to me, why is there mystic traffic? Because literally this area is called the Mystic.
What's that?
What's that?
Big.
Oh, that's the casino down there. Okay, it's actually pretty cool down here.
Outback Steakhouse.
Outback Steakhouse. Oh, that's the Nike. This is the Nike outlet store. Oh man, me and Mummy have got to come back here and get our shoes, baby.
That was the
Nice Reebok. It's everything here, outlet store, so it's kind of cool. We're still going for the Southerrn Kin. Is the plan. We found it. We found the restaurant. So let's see what happens in Southerrn Kin.
You're gonna get a pot. You're gonna get a pot.
The Crusade? No way, man. They're the most expensive pots in the universe.
What's an outlet?
Even from an outlet store. Oh man, there's loads of people actually in here. Actually, it looks quite cool. Right, let's go and see what happens. Everything went wrong with that one. It was shut. Which is a shame. It looked good. We're now at Tony C's. Is anybody eat here or not? Tony C's is full of people, man. Yeah. Cheers, dude. Thanks. Okay. So here we are at Tony C's. I haven't got a clue what's going on. There are like a million TV screens just showing you stuff, football, baseball, everything. There are hundreds of people here. We couldn't get into the other place because they stopped serving at 9:29. I mean, man alive, it's so early. Why in the world would you stop serving at 9? Anyway.
No one eats at 9.
Normal people don't eat at 9, but we eat at 9. Right. What's on this weird menu?
Mac and cheese, fresh fish tacos, fish.
So the big things are mac and cheese.
Chicken.
Oh, you can get the mac and cheese with buffalo chicken. Lobster roll, fresh fish taco, chicken conigliaro.
Burgers.
Actually, I might have that.
What, chicken?
You get chicken, angel hair pasta, lemon white wine caper sauce. Oh damn, that sounds so nice. I'm gonna have that. Orchetti, cedar pink salmon, fish and chips, grilled steak tips. What's that? That's steak, teriyaki, garlic mashed potato, mushroom and caramelized onion. Or grilled New York strip. That's just steak, isn't it? Okay, so waiting for the food. Midget, show them the goofy steak knife.
It's like a big butter knife.
It's a big butter knife. What have you got? Tango?
Yeah, it's got butter.
Fana, bought us big ice waters. And you've gone, I can't remember if we told you what we've gone for.
I got grilled steak tips because you said it was
I can't even find it anymore. Oh, grilled steak tips. Nobody knows what grilled steak tips is, but I think it's like
You said it was sirloin steak.
sirloin steak.
Said he recommended it medium.
We had a real conversation about what you're going to get. The decision was medium. We normally go rare, but he seemed to be saying it worked better medium. And I've gone for the chicken. Oh, I think it's here. Hey, sorry. Oh, here you go, midget. That's yours, babes. Thank you very much. Oh, yes, please. Oh, lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Cool. That actually. Oh,
Why? It looks really good. But I was so confused. I thought it would be on a skewer for some reason.
it was going to be on a skewer. I know what you mean. It actually, got to be said, actually it's damn good. Right, let's have a proper quick look at it. Yours looks really nice. Mushrooms, steak,
Nice and soft. Good.
mashed potato. Actually looks really good. I've got what I wanted. Nice, beautiful bits of chicken with pasta, scallopini, lemon sauce. Actually, really pleased with that.
Lemon.
Yeah, it's the lemon sauce.
I'm gonna try my garlic, man.
Try your garlic mash. Oh, I've already forgotten where my knife and fork are. Here we go.
Really good mash. Nice.
It's like a mash. Right, let me try it. Oh, look, nice. Big napkin. I quite like a nice big napkin. Right, come on, let me try your garlic mash.
Just a nice hint of garlic to it. Really good soft mash with a nice hint of garlic.
No, it's really good. Oh man, that mash, you know, it's just like dreamy. You just feel good. When it goes in, you just go.
A nice hint of garlic to it. It's really good. Shall we try my steak?
Let's try your steak. Come on, steak, try it. Let's try your steak. It looks amazing.
Nice.
Oh yes, shovel it in, man. Steak it up.
You try it while I chew it.
Okay, good. It's a nice gravy. Let's go for it. Oh, oh man. That's really good. You know what?
Teriyaki sauce. There you go.
Steak is nice and chewy. Flavoursome. Not too chewy. But something to chew on.
Rich teriyaki.
The rich teriyaki sauce is amazing.
Good sweetness to it. It's really,
But maybe it should have gone rare, but I don't know. What do you think?
still good.
Really nice, actually. Really good piece of steak. With a rich.
Expected with Tony C.
The teriyaki sauce is not just quite teriyaki, it's actually teriyaki and beef flavour. I'm really impressed with that.
This place generally really good.
This place is actually amazingly good.
What would you give
Tony C's.
Like 8.5?
8.5.
We can't give too high a rating.
No, 8.5 easy.
That deserves it. That's the well-deserved 8.5.
It's a really decent bit of steak. Plus the sauce really makes it. You got a beautiful garlic mash. It's a beautiful plate of food. Right, come on, let's try this scallopini chicken. So this has probably got like a lemony flavour. Little crust on it. Ah, no.
Can I try this?
No. And that is just 100% good, don't you think?
I love lemony breadcrumb kind of chicken
I
stuff.
love lemony breadcrumb chicken. It's really nice. It's just incredibly satisfying. And what I really love more than anything is you've got all that lovely pasta with it. You've got a full-on mega meal.
There's a lot of food with that.
It's a lot of food. It's a good amount of food. Oh, you know what? Tony C's, it just shouldn't be called Tony C's. It shouldn't be right, but it's just so good.
Try your pasta.
No. But you know what? As the The pasta sauce drips into the crust around the chicken. You get this really nice lemony flavor drifting into the chicken and the rest of it. Right, you ready for this?
You try it.
No, try it first, okay. Right, try it first. Pasta. Oh, no.
Weird.
It's actually really, really good. Do you like it?
Good lemony flavour to it.
Good lemony flavor. It's got capers, stuff. You know what?
Really good.
It's actually one of the best meals I've had in ages. Seriously.
It's really good.
It's just really, really good.
Pasta's such an interesting flavour. I've never had pasta anything
got-
like it.
No, capers, tomatoes, lemon. Exactly. We never have. Our home, we never get interesting pasta. That's really good, isn't it? Have as much as you want. The pasta,
I've never had pasta like that. It's so. I've never thought of lemon pasta, but actually works really well.
lemon pasta, capers, and a little bit. It's so good. So good. Oh man. I think this is one of the. You have a fancy pasta and a fancy recipe, but this is one of the best pastas I've eaten for years. The lemony thing, the flavor, and then the chicken gravy has gone into it. So what should we say for this place?
What would you give that?
Oh, this is a 9 for me. 8.5.
I mean, it is kind of just breaded chicken. Like, at the end of the day, it's not the most insane piece of chicken. I think a 9 is overall.
I think it's such a beautiful dish. You got lots of chicken, you got lots of pasta. You're satisfied, you're happy, you got all the spicy flavors.
Chicken itself, like in the quantity it's fine, but I don't think it's the best chicken I've ever had. So I think it deserves 8.5, fair and square. I think a 9 is too much.
I'm going to give it a 9. We will disagree.
Can't agree.
Overall, Tony C's.
8.75.
I agree. At least.
My steak is very good, but it's a bit chewy.
It's a bit chewy.
I have to say this is better, so I'm going to give it 8.25, not 8.5 personally.
Yeah, I think this one's better. You got so many flavors in this with so many flavors. So good. Right, we're heading out to Tony C's. It was really good. Really enjoyed Tony C's. Check out the amount of people just chilling out, eating burgers. Look at the amount of beers and stuff they got on the screen. It's actually pretty cool in Tony C's. It's insane. And it is like you say, it's like a classic American crazy giant bar, man. You're never gonna get at home. So here we are outside Tony C's. It's actually really good. There's all this stuff out here. We're looking at these giant. What are they meant to be? The giant things, do you think?
Weird. It's just that weird stuff on it.
Like weird
Inner
stuff.
fire is the most important thing mankind possesses.
possesses. That's true.
It's got hieroglyphics.
Let's go hieroglyphics. Like it. Nice. 9. Right. Pretty cool.